Water. All is born of water. Alkaron. Water is one of the most common compounds on Earth and its atmosphere. It covers more than 70% of the surface of the Earth. It exists in three physical states of matter: water, solid, ice, liquid, and gas, water vapors and steam. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade and boils at 100 degrees centigrade. The temperature at which water converts into ice is called its freezing point, Fp, and the temperature at which water starts boiling is called its boiling point, Bp. Water H2O. We know that everything is made of atoms. Atoms join together to form molecules. A water molecule has 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen, H, atoms, and 1 oxygen, O, atom. A single drop of water contains billions of water molecules. Water for life. All living things need water to survive. Plants, fish, insects, birds and other animals all need water to grow. Green plants must have water to make food during photosynthesis. Some plants and animals live only in water. Aquatic animals use oxygen dissolved in water. Aquatic plants use carbon dioxide dissolved in water. Our body also needs water. Water makes up about 2/3 of our body. Water helps us in several ways. Water helps to digest our food. It helps to remove waste products from our body. Water keeps our body cool in hot weather by sweating, which is mainly water. Facts about water. Water makes up 95% of our blood, 75% of our brain, and 85% of our lungs. Overall, our bodies are 60 to 70% of water. A tomato is about 95% water. An apple is about 85% water. Pure water has no color, no taste, and no smell. Sources of water. Water is present not only on the surface of the Earth but also beneath its surface. Surface water. About 97% of Earth's surface water is found in the oceans. It is salt water. Only 3% of water is fresh water, which is present on the surface of the Earth, in the air, water vapors, and under the ground. Ocean water. Ocean water is a mixture of dissolved gases and salts in pure water. The major dissolved gases in ocean water are nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. The major dissolved salts are sodium chloride, table salt, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, and calcium sulfate, etc. Sodium chloride is the most abundant salt in ocean water. Ocean water is unusable for drinking because of salts. Some countries like Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, etc. remove salts from the ocean water to make it drinkable. Fresh water. Most of the fresh water is frozen. The frozen water is found in mountains in the form of glaciers. Snow accumulates year after year to form ice sheets. These ice sheets are called glaciers. Fresh water is also found in streams, rivers, lakes, and ponds. At some places where ground is low, the water stays for part of the year and makes the ground very wet. Such places are called wetlands. Pugri, Kar and Kaki are a few wetlands in Sindh province. The water in wetlands moves down into the soil and becomes groundwater. Water beneath the surface of Earth. Recall what happens to rain when it falls. Rainwater can evaporate, run off the surface, or soak into the ground. The water that soaks into the ground is called groundwater. The top level of groundwater in an aquifer is the water table. The level of water table changes during the year. It rises when water is added by rain. It becomes lower when there is a drought. People dig wells to bring groundwater to the surface. Impurities of water. We need clean drinking water. Our water resources are becoming unfit due to the presence of impurities in water. Water may have germs. It may also have salts, dirt or other chemicals in it. The addition of harmful substances into the water is called water pollution. Harmful and unwanted substances in water are called pollutants. We can classify water pollutants into different groups. 1. Bacteria, virus and other microorganisms are disease-causing pollutants. 2. Acids, salts, etc. are water-soluble pollutants. These pollutants can increase the growth of algae in the water. The presence of algae can block the sunlight to reach other plants in the water. Plants cannot make their own food and die. As a result, fish and other aquatic animals also die. 3. Oil, plastic and pesticides are also harmful to all plants and animals in the water. Sources of water pollution. The three major sources of water pollution are human wastes, industrial wastes and chemical runoff. Human wastes. People release sewage into drains which carry it to rivers. Sewage from houses contains fat, toilet wastes, food particles, detergents, harmful bacteria, etc. These human wastes not only cause diseases in human beings but also destroy aquatic life. Industrial wastes. Industries release a large number of toxic chemicals into rivers and canals. Smoke and toxic gases released from industries also cause the rainwater to become acid rain. These chemicals can kill fish and other aquatic animals and plants. Fertilizers. Farmers use fertilizers and pesticides in their crops. The rainwater carries these chemicals to water resources and causes water pollution. Uses of water. People in Pakistan use water in homes, agriculture, as a source of energy, hydroelectricity, and in industries. In homes, a large quantity of water is used in our homes. We use water in washing, cleaning, brushing the teeth, flushing the toilet, cooking and drinking. People use most of the water in their kitchens and bathrooms. In agriculture, plants need water to grow. Our farmers use 88% of our fresh water in fields to grow crops and vegetables. In industries use water in a number of ways. Beverage and food industries use water as a raw material. Factories use water to clean and wash metal surfaces. Heavy mechanical complexes, oil refineries and nuclear reactors use water for cooling purposes. How to conserve water? There is only a limited amount of fresh water that we can use. We can save water by acting upon following tips. Turn off the tap when you brush your teeth or take water in a tumbler. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl. Don't wash dishes under running water. Only use a washing machine with a full load. If you have a lawn, water it early in the morning or late in the afternoon so the sun would not evaporate the water. Check regularly the leaks in water pipes and get them repaired immediately.